Y'all, we finna get into it. I'm at sound check. I'm finna sing my song "Sexing" tonight, and I'm here. So let's get it poppin'. Show y'all where I'm at right now. This is where I'm performing at. Gonna be a lot of people here. So I'm probably gonna videotape this again, but gonna perform "Sexing" right now. Just want to give y'all some time. You messed up, you messed up, and now I'm here. Grab those hands and grab that, 'cause that is nothing can stop me. My mission is clear. I'm about to take you a place out here, out of space and out of day. You trouble come.
Terry, keep doing what you're doing.
I'm already charged, about to lay this power steer. Baby, I'm a prince from the way you look from here. Let me get close so I can see you, baby. Don't stop. Don't stop. No. Don't stop. Don't stop. Press go. You, I swear I wouldn't go a step till I find my baby, no, my baby, no. And I promise myself I won't find no one to lie but you. My journey to you. Journey to you. Cause to me it's like racial. Baby, you know.
An achievement gap separating black from white students has long been documented. Social divides extremely rejecting policymakers, the target
I pray for someone like you.
But a new report focused on black males suggests that the picture is even weaker than the only 12% of black fourth grade boys are proficient in reading compared with 38% of white boys. And only 12% of black 8th grade boys are proficient in math compared with 4% of white boys.
Pray for someone like you. And that's not reading you.
Poverty alone does not seem to explain it. Poor white boys do just as well as African American boys who do not live in poverty. Many white boys live qualified for subsidized schooling. Basically, they're saying that you black boys will not be educated. Not a single one is listening. Why? Because Terry is dancing right now. Don't be shy then.
You look at your life too. That's the part I like. Alright, this is the part I want to know. You feel like some kids? You did not stop and now I'm here. Grab your hands and grab that ass 'cause daddy is there.